the HP volunteers packing stuff away. There's the Gazelle driver and the Great Western driver. And then there's the Cove 30 BR Class 37 driver, the filling in assistant driver. Also featuring the friendly former BR signalman and the brilliant Vespa driver. The friendly former BR signalman.
125 staying on the track.
I don't know.
Because it goes down to the car.
Hello!
Yeah.
The friendly former BR signalman. There's the friendly former BR signalman who we see all the time. What a wonderful man he is. Two wonderful men standing next to each other like best buddies. I know you two aren't best buddies in reality, but I was just saying it as an expression.
Oh, I see.
Because of course we're both friendly to one another, that's why I said it.
Yeah. We're all mates down here.
Yes. And I can see why everyone likes you, because you're always friendly.
Runaway train.
It's not quite runaway, but it's rolling on its own. But the friendly former BR signal in here is to stop this. Ah! You have made comedy. The HP volunteers still packing things away.
Thanks very much.
The HP volunteers doing their stuff, and it's the journey's end. That's a good wave.
Oh yeah, right, yeah. I didn't fall over.
All the volunteers and the friendly former BR signalman. But smile.
Oh, it's angry, isn't it?
Who do you think you are kidding, Mr. Hitler, if you think we're on the run? We are the boys who will stop your little game. We are the boys who will make you think again. 'Cause who